Okay, hi there, Prime. You smiling?
Yeah.
How are you? Huh?
Put your foot down.
Huh?
You put your foot down.
Yeah. So how old? Okay. Yeah. So how old are you, Prime?
6.
6 years old. When was your birthday? Last Shabbos. Because I want you on the camera. So what did you get for your birthday?
Nothing.
You didn't get you. Who gave you chocolate?
Grandma.
Grandma gave you chocolate. So you'll be talking on the camera.
You
So
can hear me?
yeah. So
The camera,
and
you're gonna hear when you get the phone picture.
look who's here also. Sarah Loon's here again.
The picture can talk.
What's that, Esther?
The picture
Now
can talk.
you're on camera. Hi, Esther.
Hi.
Hi.
Do you see me?
Hmm?
The picture can talk.
The picture can talk? Yeah.
Yeah? Oh, no, you're taking a picture of me?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm talking?
Yeah. How old are you, Esther?
Do you see
5.
me?
And what grade are you going into?
No, 7.
7? You're 7 years old?
Yeah.
And what grade are you going into?
Grade 2.
Grade 2? Yeah. Did you have a fun vacation this year?
Do you see me? Do you see me?
Hi there, Yaakov.
Yaakov, go on top of here.
Yaakov, how old are you? Yaakov Fringles, how old are you? 4. Are you a big mitzvah boy?
I'm going on it. No, why don't you take a picture with him on it? The picture's gonna say that.
Shlomo, you want to talk into the camera?
Yeah.
Hi there. But I can't see you, Shlomo. Come a little bit closer. Sarah, you have to take your hand away from there so we can see you. You want to come out of the sun? Come a little bit into the shade.
Hi there,
Hi there. You giving us a big smile?
Look at me. Do you see me?
Huh, Sarah, I can't see you. It's a smile for the camera. So Sarah, how old are you? 8? And what happened to you? Did you just fall? Yeah. So? Do I see you? 1 second, Shlomo. Where's Shlomo? Oh, there's Shlomo. Hi, Shlomo. How old are you?
2.
2 years old? No, you're not 2 years old. How old are you?
Yeah. 3.
Huh?
He's 3.
You're 3 years old? That's right. That's right. You just got your upshur not too long ago?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, and look, someone else is coming out. Oh, hi there, Hennies. Henny Frunes.
Yeah, the picture could talk.
Hi there. What's that? Henny, you want to say hello? How old are you?
Picture could talk. Say 1, 2. Can you say 1?
No touching.
Oh, do you see me? Hello, Abba.
Hi there. Yeah?
You see me? Abba.
Ah, look at you way up there.
How does the picture come out? Hi, Abba. Hi, Abba. Abba, it only talks one time.
Yeah, well, you know... hi there, Shlums.
Abba only talks one time.
You
No, Abba only talks one time.
having a good time there, Shlomo?
Abba.
Esther, you want to say hello?
I can't.
You can't look over here for 1 minute? So did we tell any... so what did we do this? Did everybody have a very good vacation?
Yeah.
Where'd we go?
To the exhibition.
We went to the exhibition. Where else did we go?
Now to Ireland.
Who remembers where else we went?
Ireland.
Center Island. Very good.
Swimming pool.
That's right. And where's Henny? Henny.
Waiting pool.
Hi there.
Waiting pool. Waiting pool. Waiting pool.
No, that's a better smile. Give a big smile, Henny.
And we went into waiting pool.
There's Yaakov. Where are you? Oh, there you are. Yaakov, go step back a little bit, okay? Sarah, you're being very quiet for the camera. Esther, you're too close. You have to take a step back a little bit. That's it. That's it. Okay, and where's Ema?
She's up by the window. Do it again, and then you just hi.
No, there. Stand back, Shlomo. Stand further back.
Do it again. No, only you have to put that. Alright, so come on. You should have done it if you like that.
Yes, Henny? Where?
Here.
Where?
Over there.
You got it? Whose bottle do you have there, Shlomo's?
Me.
Your bottle or Henny's bottle?
Henny's bottle
Where's your bottle? Uh-huh. Where's Henny? Is she went into the house? So let's see if we can see a picture. Oh, look who's here. Hi there, Henny Foonies.
And stay on for a long time. Go on. Go on and hang up. Apple, take a picture of me. Okay, good.
Can't see you. There you are.
Ow!
Hey, Marla, you come out for 1 second. Come, hi there. Say hello. Everybody go over, stand beside Marla. Yeah. Yeah. Jacob, what happened? Okay. Everybody. Who wants Marla to pick them up? Wherever can't see you fine. What's your face? Yeah, Esther, go over to Marla, okay? And Henny, where are you?
Say hi. Wave.
Shlomo, look at the camera. Shlomo, look at Abba.
Look at Abba.
Hi there. Very good. Okay, who's next? Esther, you have to look over here. Hi there, Esther. Okay. Okay, Jacob, you want to ride on Marla? Huh? Hi there, Ima. So, Ima, you want to show us the baby?
Yes, we'll show you.
But you're not supposed to come any closer. No, you have to sort of give us a smile. And look at the camera.
Hi.
You can come in the shade if you want.
Pick me up. You pick me up.
Don't cry in the
Now
camera.
hold my leg.
Marla. Everybody climb on top of Marla.
It's Marla the baby. Marla the baby.
Here, I'll go with
Everybody climb on top of Marla. Quick, cover her up. Who can cover Marla up? Don't choke her, please. We want her. Who's gonna climb on top of Marla? No more, Yaakov now? We'll put the baby on that.
We're all on Henny. We're
Henny.
on Henny.
Henny.
Uh-oh, Esther's being squished.
Oh, Ima, hi.
Esther's being squished.
Okay. Yeah, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now you look at Ima.
I want my
Yeah, but you have to look at Ima.
No crying, we're on film.
Like this? Yeah, like
No,
this?
I want my foot on top of
Put on top of you. How about foot down? 1, 2, 3.
No,
That's what how? Well, no.
I want to get on the
Yeah, okay.
He wants to go on your
I don't
shoulder.
know. You want to go to the shoulders?
No, I want to put my foot on your shoulder.
How about like this, Jacob? This is good? Huh? But we got you like this. Okay, Who wants to do, well, we'll do one dance on the feet. Wait, first Esther, because that's,
Mordechai, just 1 second.
yeah,
You know there's like a little square
yeah.
in the middle? Is that the only
I think it's
picture?
the whole thing.
Or the whole thing?
Mama, could you?
Okay, you ready? Ready to record?
You know, he's
Yeah.
in the shade. Is he visible?
Yeah. Maybe you're right. Maybe it might be there.
Why don't you do these acrobatics in the sun, like Romanians?
Mordechai, he says maybe do it in the sun better. So move back a little bit. No, maybe it's less hectic for you if you come to us because we
Are
have
you
so
still
many kids.
recording? You just
No,
keep it
just-
in good.
Maybe it's
Well,
better if you
there's
come
one
to us
twist.
without-
Can you just talk to my wife and plan this out? Because we'd love to have you for meals, for desserts, for whatever.
It's rapidly ending.
There is a...
Okay, wait. Stand by. Now it's... Oh, I thought I had to hold on to
No, it
them.
only records when it says REC.
Okay.
It just, if you push the button down, it keeps switching back and forth, back and forth, back and forth.
Oh, so...
Take a second to figure it out. You didn't tell me that.
Oh.
Okay, one, two, very good.
Okay, so I'll call your wife and we'll discuss it.
Okay,
The catch is what? You're having other guests? Or?
Well, we'll discuss it later.
Okay.
I don't want it this way.
You want that to be on the film?
That's gonna be on the film.
Both of you look at me, Abba and Esther. We're getting a close-up of you.
Okay, and then you can make it.
Oh, that's gorgeous.
Okay. Finish. Bye-bye for now.
Everybody go on, Abba, quick before it's over.
Henny! Henny's being shy over there with Rabbi Marcus.
hibernating.
So, anyway, so we're supposed to tell them what this is 19, this is Rosh Chodesh Elul 1990. Does that make sense?
Yeah, tell them it's the 21st of August.
What's that?
21st of
21st of August,
Everybody come.
1990. Last day of Ben Zmanim. Anybody else in the yard here? Oh, Henry. Oh, Esther, how about you making it move? And there's Uncle Jerry. Hi there. And there's
Down there.
Mr. Shloms.
Look at the camera, Miriam.
Now, where's Miriam? Where's Miriam? Oh, there's Miriam. Hi, Miriam.
Why didn't I take a picture of everybody?
That's all right. Anybody else around here?
You want to come up with your lasagna face?
Okay, lots of family shots.
Why don't you shoot some inside shots too? Because it's so bright out here. And make them out of it.
Well, you can replay it according to you, right? Huh? You can replay it on this thing. Okay, who's everybody? Esther, you eating supper? What are you having for supper?
What?
What are you having for supper?
Lasagna.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. What do you say, Shlomo? What are you having for supper?
And corn. Yes.
And corn? Hi there, Henny. Are you? And Henny, how much of your supper is in your mouth and how much is on the floor?
Who else wants corn and salt? The brown one. How much you want? I think Rachel.
Carrot. And onion.
Hi there, Brian.
What?
Hi there.
No.
What are you eating for supper? Carrot and lasagna? Is it good?
Henry should not get carrot.
No?
She could choke on it.
No, sorry.
Hi there, Sarah Burns.
You want
With
your
a Band-Aid, huh?
Okay, give me the
You
Coke.
smiling now a little bit more?
Can you bring
Huh?
Hang on, okay.
So I can't hear you.
Henny,
So smile.
give me carrot.
Give us a smile.
No.
I don't know if she did.
Look, I don't see a smile. Take the corn away and smile for a minute. Take the corn away and smile.
Dada.
Dad.
That's better.
Did you make sure you love
Okay.
To the microwave. Getting cold.
Where's Ima?
Miriam.
There's Ima. Hi there.
Baby.
So we do one close up of the Ima and the baby. Baby's yawning. This is the rare shot of the baby not crying.
Is that
girl. You try to be a baby.
I'll try to go.
No.
Yeah.
How am I supposed to get another calendar?
Which calendar?
Lasagna?
Yeah.
Excuse me?
No, they're not supposed to avoid the picture. They're supposed to be in it. Okay, so we finished.
Okay?
Where's Henny's lasagna?
Who wants one more? This little brown bowl.
You want more?
Yeah, Kobe, want more lasagna too, right?
No, I don't want lasagna.
No more
I said
lasagna?
I want corn.
Oh, sorry.
Maybe you should wear the Band-Aid there.
Is this your cup? No, that's a prime.
I think it's
I don't have any.
during the night. When you go to sleep, take it off, okay? When you go to sleep,
What would you like?
A little piece of corn. That's mine.
Yeah.
Video so you can talk into it.
Oh, can you really?
Hi, Puppy. How you
You
doing?
got all the latest things
Borrow it from a friend. Yeah, well, just for a minute.
before you're leaving.
And then
Yeah.
great granddaughter.
Yeah, every little thing.
You have to compare it to.
Feet are good, believe me.
You have to compare her to Henny and see. You'd say she's a
I
lightweight.
call her Henny Penny.
Henny's petite. She might be a big one.
You think she's like Sarah?
Maybe.
She's fair.
She's filling
She's
out.
like Esther.
She's fair, yeah.
Hmm.
Yeah, she's like
Yeah.
She's still sleeping,
Esther.
baby.
Well, let her sleep, let her
She's
sleep.
sleeping,
She's comfy. She's contented.
yeah. It's Bubby and Nahana'ita.
She's nicer looking than Henny Penny was.
Yeah?
Fuller face,
Yeah, she's got
you
full
know,
face.
and more mature. I feel a little heart pumping after
Yeah.
that. Yeah, cute.
Do you remember Mom this little?
Pardon?
And Jeannie? Do you remember when Mom and Jeannie were this little?
Sure. Jeannie, Aaliyah was a little monkey. She was the youngest little thing I ever saw. She was really something. She was only 4.5 pounds,
That's
and
all.
her whole face was wrinkled, was so old looking.
Wow.
And when I looked at her, I said, "Oh my goodness!" But Jeannie was a little girl, something like this one, blonde and fair. 7.5 pounds, so she was a bigger baby.
Was Mom premature?
No,
4.5 pounds is so little.
Yeah.
They probably need small diaper than newborn.
she was very tiny. Poor little heart is going so fast.
Yeah, a little bit, they do.
Little girl.
Okay.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. You want to take a picture of you and Bubby?
Up closer.
There we go. Hi.
You see, yes, nicely?
Yeah.
Good.
Now I'll do a close-up of Bubby and the baby.
You get us all in there.
Yeah, now I'm going to get a close-up of you and the baby. There we go. Okay, now the two of you.
Stand by.
On this side.
Okay, recording.
Now it's easier.
Hi there, Dad.
Okay. Now you got it? Okay. Okay. Good little girl. Tiny little girl. How old is she now?
2.5 weeks.
2.5 weeks. Oh, you son of a gun, you're getting bigger already.
2.5 weeks old.
Yeah.
So Joe, where are you? Hi there. So how's it going at the X? I tell you, 2 days in a row we tried to find you there.
And now it's
And what happened? Are you still there?
Yeah.
Are you at a different game then?
It's the same game, but it changed.
Well,
You're
no,
not gonna I like
no one was
the
playing.
part of the midway. You're not gonna find me with 7 kids.
No, no one was playing mazes.
Huh?
No.
No.
Really, is that why they changed it?
Yeah.
So what did they do? They just took away all the mazes and they put doing something else?
Mm-hmm. I mean, that was loud.
So Lisa, now you have to get in the picture a little bit.
You want me to...
Okay, recording. Very good.
That's Elisa right there.
Everybody give a big smile. Well, Joe, you're blocking the baby. You have to stand back and put your hand around your father's shoulders and look natural.
Don't look natural.
Oh, that's it. Beautiful. Mom is going to want 5,000 copies.
Alright.
Okay, and baby goes to
Now
Ema.
the baby's tired, Mark.
Okay.
Okay.
Bye-bye for now.
We have some fun with that camera, guys.
And then it starts going on to record.
Okay. Well, you are on. And I could hear everything you're saying. Hi, Basha.
Give your auntie a kiss.
Come, go give her. Who's going to give Basha Tov a kiss?
Who do I get kisses for?
There's Schlein. Sorry, you're in the middle of the camera. I didn't know it. You have to go sideways from the camera.
Auntie a kiss. What? Sideways?
There, and I didn't see Shlomo before.
And from Ed.
I did.
The next one.
Wait, hold on a second. Something's wrong here.
She's putting up with this torture.
No, wait. Now.
Like Henny.
Okay, come on, say hello. Who's going to give her a kiss? Who's going to give her a kiss?
He's the first one to give me a kiss. I love it. I love it.
Okay, both of you look at me. Good. Now, who else is going to give her a kiss?
Henny, come Henny. What's he doing? Like,
No, try somebody else first. Okay,
Brian.
Basha, Sarah and Esty, come on.
Esty.
Hooray. Now, Ephraim.
Yeah. The picture could talk.
It can talk?
Yeah, it's recording our voices. Okay, who else's turn? Yaakov, you have to give a kiss. Come on, Yaakov.
Have a nice day.
Come on.
Have a nice day? Okay, I'll have a nice day. Hi, Yaakov. How are you? How was camp today? Fine? You had a
Sarah, go. Give her a kiss. Okay, here comes Sarah. And you both have to look at the camera.
Did you enjoy it at the zoo?
It wasn't fair if you only took dinner.
You know what?
Okay.
We didn't have extra room. Otherwise, we would have taken more of it.
Okay. Now, how about Henny? Henny Penny.
Hi, Henny Penny. Henny Pens.
Go say hello to Basha, Henny. Henny.
Henny.
Henny.
Room for two people. People could go
Henny.
in the bed. There's no back in the car.
What? I better go.
Okay, bye-bye.
Hi, Mom. Hi there. So, Dad, you're supposed to help yourself to as many tomatoes as you can eat. I see Yaakov waving.
I'm afraid I had a very nice... Will it take it this light?
I think so. So, Ephraim, throw it to Grandma.
Here, Henny Pens. Come. Come sit on my lap.
Okay, but come back out, please.
It's wonderful. It's so good weeds.
Yeah, thanks.
However, did you grow such good
Come on, let's... Throw it to Dad. Throw it to Grandpa, I mean.
Yo! Okay, 1, 2, 3, help.
Ah, there's Lums. Everybody got haircuts today? Dad, what day is today?
Monday, the 27th.
The 27th of?
August.
27th of August, 1990. So this is what, about a week after the last ones? 2 weeks, something like that. Where's Vips? Hiding behind the fence. Yeah, you show him, go play in the picture with everybody else.
That must have been the 8th.
So everybody got haircut. Did you get a haircut too? Yeah. And you?
Squeak, squeak. Come on, over
Shut
here.
it off, Mordecai.
No.
Mordecai, are you back at school?
Yep.
Is the neighbors don't live there?
I don't know what it looks like. I'm not an expert. She's a little small. Oh, cat found a mouse? No. Let me see. Yeah. Cat, what a good hunter. Cat. Hey, Mordecai, look. The cat got a... Mordecai, look. The cat got a real mouse. Look. Good hunter. Go get him. Look, cat got a mouse.
Yeah, so the mouse isn't for you to eat, just for the cat.
For the cat. What a good little hunter.
The cat has a mouse.
Can you shoo the cat away then, please? Oh, Dad.
Wow. Wow. Well, I guess there is good hunting in the fields.
What are you taking pictures of?
You walking towards us and Ephraim running towards Abba.
Carrying it back. And then all the children gathered around and started the flowers or crashing around. And Kenny's enjoying the dinner.
Henny.
Annie? How long does she stay before she starts squawking?
Wants to go for a walk. Brown wants to go for a walk. Come. Come hold her hand.
All the cars around here look like our old ones. With the bunk.
Drop into the 5 now.
No, I hope not. No, I don't think we're...
Okay, that's not the end of the world.
I'm
Hi
going to see.
there, everybody.
Hi.
You have to go move further. You have to go further back towards Saba.
Stop right here.
Sarah,
Yeah.